Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Shany Boy here, and today I'm going to be opening something really cool. The Evel Knievel Stunt Cycle. It is, I suppose you can call it a remake of the original, when did that come out, the original one? It was in the 1970s, the original Evel Knievel Stunt Cycle. It's got the I don't know what you call it, the Energizer, the thing you wind up, put the bike on, and it shoots it forward. Now I have the original Evel Knievel figure, but I never had the bike, just the figure. I've always been a fan of Evel Knievel, so to have this, like, brand new, super cool. So I'm going to open it, because I am more than ready to play with it. So, let's see what's inside. Alright. Got a white box there. Looks like this is the Energizer. The box is empty. So, got the Energizer. I'm going to put that to the side. See what's in here. Got more tape. Alright, I'm excited. I am excited. Not gonna lie. Okay, that is super cool. Super cool. So, there's the bike, the Evel Knievel. Let's take out the bike first. So, there's his motorcycle. I believe he can stand on these pegs. I believe. We'll find out. We'll find out soon. Stickers kinda coming loose a bit, but that's okay. I imagine this is going to get pretty beat up relatively quick, because I'm going to be playing with it a lot. Alright, going to open the helmet first, just because I kind of want Evel to be the last thing that I open. So there's the helmet. Not gonna lie, I think it is slightly different from the original. I'll have to dig through my boxes of collectibles to see if I can find the figure. I don't know, I think this one might be a little bit smaller than the original, but that is super cool. Okay, he's like a bendable, posable figure. I'm gonna put the helmet on him. There he is with the helmet. And yeah, he's super posable. Super posable. You can, feels like you can pose him in his arms and legs in like whatever position, and it will stick that way. So that's cool. So there's Evel. Okay. Let's go ahead and place him on the bike. Now, okay, now I don't know what this is for, because he doesn't have... Actually, hold on. I don't know. Like, I think something like that, maybe. I saw something where he's standing. I'll have to play around with it and figure it out. But anyway, let's get him on here. We'll get this figured out. Okay, so relatively tough to get. No, that one was easy. That one was easy. Looks like his belt is doing something kind of funky there. That's okay. That's okay. Alright, I think... That looks like he's ready to go. That is super cool. Alright. I'm going to put a ramp together, and we're going to go see what it can do. Let's go. Oh. Man down. Man down. So there you have it. That is the Evel Knievel Stunt Bike figure. Only 40 bucks from Walmart. And it had free 2-day shipping. I think it might have been a little more than 2 days, but that's kind of expected with everything that's going on currently. Anyway, I definitely recommend this figure if you enjoy the nostalgic toys, and if you're a fan of Evel Knievel. It's definitely a must. Alright, thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon. Bye.